Raj, can you tell me about Living Values?
Living Values started probably around about 1996. It's been around for quite a long time. And in early 2000 it became a Swiss foundation and has activities in 42 countries currently around the world. It's an organisation set up basically to extend the concept of values into the world. It engages individuals, it engages very much in the education field in schools and through workshops, businesses and people who are just generally interested in trying to explore the concept of values in themselves. See, what happens is we believe the values are actually inside of us and that we do know the difference between right and wrong and honesty and dishonesty or respect or disrespect. And it's really a matter of how much we want to live in those values in our lives and to what degree. And so when the programs were created for Living Values, we have a large number of activities that can be used in a group environment. And those values are all present in the activities. And gradually, as you do the activities, which are usually a lot of fun, you become aware of the values. Not only in the activities, you become aware of the values in yourself. To understand what happiness means, and when you're not happy, and when you are happy, and whether your happiness depends on your circumstance, or your relationship, or your car, or whatever you have in your life.
So your program is related with these values?
Yes. One of the difficulties we've found is that it works really well in workshops, and it works really well when you have qualified trainers who are able to deliver the workshops. But the problem that we found is that obviously we can't get enough trainers in the world to impact people in the world, in the various countries, and also in communities. So what we've been looking at is whether we could design a program that would actually appeal to, let's say, an individual or a family situation, maybe where you've got teenagers that don't really get on with the parents, and also like in communities where you've got jealousies and you've got petty grievances, you know. And so we decided to create a program that would be a standalone program that you could do at home with your wife, for example, or with your wife's relatives. Or you could do it in a school situation with a group of students, or, you know, young students or older students. And so the program needed to be something that you could tangibly grasp and integrate within yourself and then take out to the wider community or your friends. And so we created this 3-level program. And the first level is self-reflection, which is where you get the opportunity to sort of feel into the values yourself. And then it moves on from there over a 12-week period. This is 12 weeks, right? And then the second one would be where you start to bring a few friends together or family, and then you have the opportunity to engage with them in a group situation. And then the third aspect is really a full-on training, let's say in the position of a facilitator, where you could really then begin to deliver in a professional manner with complete confidence. And so there's 3 levels, and the 3 levels just works perfectly. And so that's what we've done. We've called it a distance facilitator training program.
How do you do that? I mean, how can you reach the people that far away from you with this program?
Well, it's going to take time, obviously, because people have to want to find out about it. But we do get a lot of people, like educators, people who are already working in this sort of environment, helping others, and have a real passion and a desire to help others. And we get a lot of hits on our website, for example, but it's always people wanting to learn, how can I do this for myself? How can I get to a workshop? And maybe if you're living a long way away from where the trainers are, you can't actually attend the workshop. So this program's delivered to you over the internet. So we make everything available electronically. It's a package that we just send to everybody, and they basically engage it in that 12-week period. The upside is that it's a concentrated immersion program, and that does require a commitment to participate.
You said that this program is running online. So is there somebody that will help the participant?
Yeah, what we've done is we've created a system whereby we provide you right at the beginning with a coach who will take you through the program. So if you have any difficulties, all you need to do is send them an email and say, what do? I don't understand this, and they'll help you. And you have that person for the whole 12 weeks right through to the end, and the same person will be evaluating your progress.
Okay, so the mentor will always be ready to help the participant.
Well, that's correct, yeah.
So how can I tell others about this program?
Well, you can, but what we really want you to understand is that it's a self-development program. So when I say self-development, I mean inside the self. You can't really teach values to anybody. It's something that you have to find in yourself, and it's most important that you find them first. So once you have it, and once you've explored that, then you can go on and help others.
Okay, so you are trying to say that we have to feel it first and then tell others.
That's exactly right. You have to feel it first, and that's how the program is structured.
Okay, well, thank you.